my name is Razina. This is the Batchy Brew coffee truck. We're here at 19 McDermott Ave in Torrington, Connecticut. I wanted to show you guys our menu and how we do things here and how unique our experience is. When we have any new customers, we always try to ask what do you get from Dunkin' or Starbucks, because a lot of our inspiration comes from Starbucks and smaller coffee shops. So we can do anything hot or iced, and we can't do anything frozen yet, but we're working on it. But basically here, we support local, so we use local roasters for our coffee. So our drip and iced coffee are local roasters that we use in Watertown. They are called Great Minds Coffee Roasters. And then moving on to the espresso, we use Takuzo Coffee Roasters in Newington, Connecticut. And then our tea, our hot tea and iced tea are Harney & Sons right over in Millerton, New York. And then our chai and our liquid gold. Liquid gold is our golden milk turmeric latte, very similar to a chai. We use a company called Donna right in Brooklyn, New York. So we try to, again, support local with that. And then our pastries are from Baking By Beth. She's known for her farmers markets appearances. And then also we carry merch and all that good stuff. And then also we are known for our very large and unique flavors. So we have anything between vanilla, caramel, lavender is a very unique but popular flavor. We also have cardamom. That is another organic flavor that we have. And then we also have some fun flavors that we're doing this summer, such as mocha coconut. We have a campfire latte that's kind of like a s'mores latte. And we always try to come out with new drink specials every month to keep it fresh and new for everyone, and also to try to welcome some new faces to the truck. So I will take you guys inside and show you how we do everything. We're gonna show you how we make a latte. We grind our beans on demand. We pull our shots per order. So I'll let you see the magic. So Shannon was pulling a good espresso shot, and Olivia is over here finishing drinks. So we do a lot of online ordering where you can go right on our website and view our online menu and pick and choose what flavors, milk, full cap, half cap, whatever you want in your drink. And we usually have it done for you in about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been a huge help, especially with COVID and people going to work and just order their coffee as they're leaving the house, so it's perfect. How was your transition from Dunkin' to a small family-owned coffee shop?
That was great. It was really good. I enjoy working here a lot.
How would you compare how we do coffee compared to Dunkin'?
There's a lot more care put into the coffee here, and it's not like rush, like getting everything in and out as fast as possible.
We definitely put a lot of time into making our drinks. We time and weigh every shot that we pull so that you are getting the most perfect espresso shot, and we will dump it if it's not a good shot. So that's how much care we put into it.